Hi everybody, this is Ryan, and I'm back for another video for AEP 858. This time I'm talking about Module 4 and Balanced Assessment. So I'm in the module already, or I'm in the classroom already. So let's get into the module. Here's Module 4A, Balanced Assessment. And let's look at the module. Now within this module, you have your content knowledge section. And then let's get into the actual steps of this module. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to review the content knowledge like you always have. Then you're going to do a little bit of research like you did last module, but this time you're going to find and display one article for balanced assessment and one article for assessment planning. Then you're going to take a look at a sample assessment schedule that I use and pay particular attention to these three bullets. And then you need to make contact with a school leader, a principal, instructional coach, or somebody who works with assessments in your building or school district and talk to them about balanced assessment and their assessment calendar and what assessments they give, and just have a general conversation about assessments. And then based on all that, you're going to develop a document, and you're going to explain at least 4 key assessment components that need to be implemented for balanced assessment to occur. And then what you're going to do is after you write that piece, then you're going to develop a short or an assessment schedule that you might utilize as a future school leader. So your document will contain 3 parts. It will contain your write-up to explain at least 4 key assessment components. Remember, those need to be cited, and just don't bullet them. You need to develop your thoughts and explain and describe each component, and make sure you cite your pieces. So you're going to have that. And then you're going to have a table of some kind that's going to have your balanced assessment or your assessments you might give within your system. Now when you make that assessment schedule, that assessment calendar, it should have at least 4 assessments. It should have the grades listed. It should have the assessment windows. And it should have the purpose of each assessment. Those are the bare minimums of that assessment schedule. You can have more, but those are the bare minimums. And you're going to put that underneath your write-up. And then underneath that, you're going to put your references, because you're going to use in-text citations in this module. So you need to make sure that you include a reference page. So you're going to have your write-up for the components. You're going to have your balanced assessment schedule or matrix or calendar, however you want to have it. I would recommend just make a table within your Google Doc and make it real easy on yourself. And then you're going to have a reference page. And you're going to submit that document in the Module 4A section. Then after that, you have a 4B piece. So let's take a look at 4B. So like the other concluding tasks document, you will have your 4B. So you'll put your 2 citations here. Remember, all I want here are just your 2 citations. Don't explain your sources. Those things should show up within your document in Module 4A. So all you're going to do is put your citations here. Then you're going to briefly describe your conversation with your school leader about assessment. Describe benefits of the assessment calendar or schedule or matrix, whatever you want to call it. And then you're going to describe how your knowledge and ideas developed in this module might ensure your assessment system is balanced. Now again, with this module, you're not going to use an assessment system or assessment schedule that's already been developed. You're going to develop one based on your vision of what you think you might do as a school leader. And then you're going to do your relevance pieces and your reflection pieces. And if you do have citations, make your little reference page at the bottom. You've done a really good job explaining these. If you go in and look at the rubrics on each one of these, like here's a 4B rubric. Hopefully you're taking a look at these rubrics. Kind of describes what you should be doing. Hopefully it helps. So that's this module. I hope you're enjoying class so far. If you have questions, please let me know. I look forward to taking a look at your work. I'll talk to you later. Bye.